What is up, guys? In this video we're going to be explaining how to fit on an exhaust whistle. So this is a fake turbo and it's supposed to, act like a turbo, the cluster it makes, the sound it makes, but in a little whistle. So guys, it'll come in packaging like this, and you can see it's a muffler, blah blah blah, we don't need none of that. So guys, what you guys gonna need is a plier and your whistle. Make sure, guys, before you start or anything, make sure you guys tighten all the bolts. Like here might be a bit loose, we don't want none of that loose. Tighten it quickly, and then we have to, sorry guys, let me just use my legs to hold the phone. Tighten this quickly, just show you guys how it works. That's enough, guys. So literally show you guys like that. So how you guys supposed to put it in is like this in the exhaust, or like that, however your exhaust is, because the fumes will go past here and I'll make a whistle sound. For example, if I blow into here, you guys heard that, I just blew into here and it makes, that's a good way of testing your whistle. So guys, for example, right now I'm using my mum's car, because actually this has a big exhaust that actually fits. So guys, stick it in like that, literally just like that, tie the bolt, sorry, tighten the bolt, right, just like that. I'm sure you guys are going to need a plier anyway to tighten it. Tighten quick. If you guys don't tighten it, when you guys start the car, it'll literally blow out. Tighten the bolt quickly. So it looks like that. Just like that, guys. Tighten it a little bit more. That is more than enough. That definitely won't come out. Inside the exhaust, it will be looking like that. Looking like a beast. So guys, what I'm going to do is I'm going to get my mum's key, and I'm going to be the cat's here again, guys. Oh, I can't put it in there. Where am I going to put it? I'm going to be putting the phone so you guys can actually, you guys can hear it while I'm giving gas in the car. So guys, okay, we just put this here like that. So guys, I'm going to leave the phone like this, so you're able to hear it. You guys have to remember, it's a CDTI diesel, so it's going to have diesel sound, but listen to the whistle. Oh, it smells like fumes now, guys. So that's literally it, guys. You guys heard it. It didn't make too much. It's supposed to be like, I think I'll make some nice sound like when you're driving and you're shifting. But that's about it, guys. And then when you guys want to take it off, it's just simple from the top screw where you tightened. I'm loosening it. Simple. You can just literally try with it. Nah, that's bolted in tight. Sorry guys, let me put you down for 2 seconds, let me see. There we go. Guys, it's out. Make sure to subscribe and like.